Okay, so today our learning target is I can plot points on a coordinate plane accurately. And to do that, we need to know some vocabulary about coordinate planes. Alright, so a coordinate plane is made up of two number lines. Right, and when they come together, each of them has their own individual values, so that if I want to plot points on two of those, on both number lines at the same time, I have to use this grid system here. Alright, so the first line, horizontal, left to right, is the x-axis. The second line, vertical, up and down, is the y-axis. Okay, and so the very middle of it, where the two come together, is called the origin. And this is the point 0, 0, right, on 0 on both axes. Um, the first quadrant up here to the right is quadrant 1. Or I in Roman numerals. It's made up of all positive x and positive y values. Okay, quadrant 2 is here to the left, and the quadrants go counterclockwise. Okay, so quadrant 2 is right here. And it's made up of negative x and positive y values. Okay, because so y is positive in the up direction, x is positive to the right, and x is negative to the left. All right, here's quadrant 4 or quadrant 3, sorry. Okay, it's made up of both negative x and negative y. Okay, so negative x to the left and negative y is down. All right, and then finally quadrant 4. Is made up of positive x values and negative y values since it's underneath the x-axis. All right, to plot a point on the coordinate plane, we need ordered pairs. Ordered pairs is any point x, y on a coordinate plane. Okay, it's worth noting that when you write an ordered pair, it's always x first, then y. Remember alphabetical order if you have trouble remembering that. So usually things in math we go in alphabetical order. X comes before y in the alphabet, so x comes before y in an ordered pair. Alright, plotting points on a coordinate plane. Alright, so plot and label the following ordered pairs in a coordinate plane. Okay, so I'm going to try a different color here. Always start plotting points at the origin. Remember, on an ordered pair, x is the first value, y is the second value. We always start at the origin, so this tells me I want to go 3 in the positive direction. So remember, the x-axis is this one, and the positive direction is to the right. So I want to go 3 spaces to the positive direction. But I don't want to mark that yet. I need to go both x and y. Okay, the y, use purple, okay, is in the negative direction. Okay, because it's negative 2, so I want to go down 2. Okay, so I'm going to mark my final point to the right 3 and down 2. Okay, so this is point A. Okay, so pause the video real quick and try point B for yourself real quick, and then check with me to see if you got the right answer. Okay, so we got negative 4.5 and 3. Okay, so you should have started start at the origin, x in the negative direction, which is this way, 4.5, okay, which is about right here. Okay, I don't want to mark a point just yet, just dotting it over. Okay, and then I've got y in the positive direction, 3. So back 4.5 and up 3, and here's my final point, B. Alright, so from there, it says state the ordered pair plotted or for the plotted points. So again, just starting from the origin, I want to list the ordered pair that is this point. Okay, so if I start from the origin, to get to this point, I have to go to the left 2. Remember, that's x in the negative direction. So we start with negative 2, and then the y in the negative direction, down 1. So this point here is at negative 2, negative 1. Back 2, down 1. Right? You try the second one over here. See what you come up with. Okay, so you should have counted over, starting at the origin, x first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's 6, 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's easier if you count the space in between than trying to count the lines. So x is 7, positive in the positive direction, and then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the positive direction. So it's 7, 6. This is the ordered pair you should have gotten for this point. Alright, so go ahead and try the practice. Here on the back, you're labeling or you're marking all 3 points for each graph, labeling them A, B, and C. And then down here, you're trying to see or stating the ordered pair for the following 2. Right, and be ready for class tomorrow. Thanks. Have